Most breaches don't start with someone breaking in, they start with someone signing in. A login from an unexpected country can be the first sign your environment has been compromised. In this video, we'll show you how to use Microsoft 365 conditional access to block logins from high-risk countries and protect your accounts. Credentials are the new currency. Once an attacker accesses a Microsoft 365 account, they can move through Teams, OneDrive, and shared drives. Blocking sign-ins from regions where your business doesn't operate reduces that risk and limits exposure. Conditional access lives in Microsoft Entra ID and controls who can sign in, from where, and under what conditions. Start by mapping your normal login patterns, office locations, travel routes, contractors, and vendor access. Next, define trusted and blocked regions in Microsoft Entra ID and create a conditional access policy for your users and apps. Enforce multi-factor authentication and device compliance for all users, and disable old protocols that bypass conditional access. Adjust policies for short-term travel or verified contractors while keeping high-risk regions blocked. Expect a few oddities, like VPNs routing traffic overseas, or mobile carriers appearing in foreign regions. Blocking logins from high-risk regions adds accountability, keeps users safe, and reduces the chance of an unwanted intrusion. At Unbound Digital, we help businesses implement conditional access strategies that protect data without slowing down daily workflows. To start securing your Microsoft 365 environment, contact Unbound Digital today.